Man, I love the weekend. I hope you are having a great weekend, and I want to wish everybody a happy holiday season. Today I'm out at my favorite place to hike in Los Angeles called Deukmejian. I hope I'm not butchering the name of that. But such a fantastic place to go hiking in LA. I mean, there's so many people in LA that most places you go hiking, if you like solitude, you're not going to find it. There's just so many people. But this place, I mean, I can go out and hike for like 4 hours at a time and not run across one single person. So highly recommend this place to go hiking. And today I wanted to make a video about giving a new idea some time. If you are trying some new venture, a new idea, a new product, a blog, an art style, whatever, if you have created something and it didn't work out immediately, if you did it one time and didn't achieve the results that you expected, then just realize that that's not going to be enough time. It's not enough of a test. And in this day and age, we want results fast. We want them now. I see this all the time in the music industry. A band creates and releases a new song, and then a month goes by and they're not famous rock stars yet. And they wonder what the hell happened. They wonder why they're not famous rock stars yet. You gotta make more songs. You gotta give it some time. You gotta keep doing it. Even when I was coming up with the name of this YouTube channel and I was scrolling through different channels to see if the name was taken, and I was checking out all these channels and I saw so many that made like 1 or 2 videos and then dropped off the face of the earth. They never made another video, and that was years ago. I mean, you gotta keep going, but a new idea, a new venture, you have to try it twice, even 3 times before you just give up. Realistically, 10 times. I don't know where everybody gets the idea that if their first idea, product, blog, whatever, doesn't achieve this massive success, that they need to give up and move on and try something completely different. You can't just do it once, and if nothing happens, abandon the idea completely. Hell no. You gotta give it some time. 99% of the time, the first of anything is going to suck. There's just no getting around that. But you can't just be lazy and give up on it if it doesn't blow up, if everybody doesn't love it. Sure, you need to get some feedback from people that you love and trust and who will be honest with you about why it's not so good or why it's not working in whatever capacity. You get some feedback and you change it a bit, you improve it, you modify it, and then you do a few more and test it out again and see if your results are better. A good example of this is writing songs, which I've been doing for quite a while now, and the first songs I ever wrote were total shit. They were garbage. But I kept working at it and I am a much more improved songwriter now. But if I would have written the first song and no one liked it and told me it sucked and I never learned to take criticism, then I would have just given up completely and done something totally different. Then I never would have learned how to make good music. So please don't just try something once and move on if it doesn't work. I mean, I get it now. Everything moves so fast and no one has any attention span anymore. Squirrel. And there's more people and more noise you have to cut through if you're going to succeed with your idea, your product. But don't get discouraged. Make some adjustments before you throw the towel in. Try out several variations of your idea. I hear people saying the phrase ready, fire, aim a lot in the personal development field, and I totally agree. Don't think too much. Take action, multiple actions and executions of your idea, and then stop and think about what you may have gotten right and what could be wrong, and then make slight changes and fire again. That is action. The people who are going to succeed today, tomorrow in the new world are action takers. Less thinking, more action. Less talk, more rock. Take action. Don't give up easily. Persevere. It's a key trait to develop to become successful in your life. Be resilient. Develop mental resilience. It takes perseverance from time to time in your life, so stick with things for a bit before you throw in the towel and walk away. Perseverance and giving things time to work themselves out is invaluable. You give things some time and magic can happen. Like Michelangelo painting the Sistine Chapel. What if the first time Michelangelo painted something or sculpted something, he knew it sucked, everybody told him it sucked, and then he just quit? What a shame that would be. So please, if you have an idea, try it out for a few times before you just jump ship onto the next thing. There's a lot of people doing this and wondering why nothing sticks, why they aren't achieving any success. They never stick around long enough to create something and nurture it and grow it into something that can be sold or consumed or is sought after by the masses. And if nothing else, make sure you give your idea some time to work its way around. There's a lot of noise and distractions now that everybody is dealing with. Everybody has got errands to run and groceries to pick up and 10 blogs they want to read that are saved on their phone, or 10 videos they want to watch that are saved on their computer, their phone, or they're getting notifications all day long and texts and phone calls, and problems are showing up one after another. But create your idea and put it out there. Give it a chance. Get feedback. Make slight adjustments. Repeat the process. And then if you feel like you gave it a decent chance at life, then maybe move on and try something else. But at least give it a solid chance, as long as you think it's a good idea. Wishing you all happy holidays and lots of love. Thanks for watching.